Here I have TOSHIBA AT10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you'll have to open File Manager, so you can transfer all kinds of files like some Android files, photos, videos, events, notifications, music, sounds and stuff. So let's transfer some images. So for example, let's transfer this image. So what you'll have to do is to find this file in this file section. So I guess it's in download. Yeah, here we can find it. So what you have to do is to hold down your finger on it. When it's selected, tap on this second icon here to copy it. Then you select where you want to copy these images to SD card in our case. So could be like any folder, could be this one. And then you just tap paste, you just tap paste here. And now you have this image here on your SD card. So you select it, tap on copy button, then you go where you want to paste it and you just tap paste button, and now you have this image here on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.